Today's topic is about dream analysis, about bad dreams, about good dreams. Basically, what is a dream or what are dreams? Like in our computer, or say when we use our mobile, if memory is full, in WhatsApp especially, it will tell us that it is full and you need to remove videos, audios, and everything that is demanding memory. So in our daytime activities, we are doing so many conscious and subconscious things. Brain is recording all the audio video totally. And while we are sleeping, our brain tries to make sense of all the things we have done in our daytime, and it is sort of indexing everything, whether which is important, which is less important, which is life saving, and in that manner our brain will analyze all the data and store required things at the required places. So when this our brain is sort of deleting or recycling or re-indexing or indexing our day-to-day activities, we are dreaming. Technically, when you dream, it is called as rapid eye movement. Especially if you will watch a person, if you can watch while he is sleeping and dreaming, his eyes are moving so fast, his eyelids basically are moving so fast that it may seem that his eyes are open. That is called as rapid eye movement. That is the dream cycle in the sleep. For dream analysis, Dr. Carl Jung, a Chinese philosopher, and Dr. Sigmund Freud, they are basic if you want to study. And in our country, we have got Swapna Shastra. There are so many books. You can refer to any books. Point is how to analyze or interpret our dreams. Many people ask me when they have some dreams and they can't analyze. All dreams are not logical. Some dreams are logical, majority of them are illogical. So how do we analyze dreams? So some people have a very convenient way. Whenever we see bad dreams, they will say, see, because death has happened in the dream, you have seen death and decay, that means something positive will happen. So if that theory you are applying for bad dreams, that means if something good happens, then something bad will happen. Basically, it is not that easy. It is for our convenience. We human beings are very convenient beings. We will listen to what we want to listen to. We will see what we want to see. And everything is as per our own priorities and convenience. So, basically, in dreams, the basic thumb rule is, if you feel bad after seeing a dream, it is a bad dream. That means a nightmare. If you feel good after seeing a dream, then the meaning of that dream is good. So how to interpret? Most important thing is, dreams are valid only early morning dreams. Early morning dreams means from 3 to 6 a.m. The more near sunrise, the more they are valid. Say assuming that sunrise is at 7 o'clock during summer or winter, we will take average time as 6 a.m. as sunrise. So 1 hour before sunrise or 2 hours before sunrise, if you are dreaming something good or bad, then good or bad will happen. What is the time period? Why in our culture early morning dreams are so important? Early morning dreams are important because the brain has been sorting, resorting, re-indexing, formatting, deformatting all the details for nearly all the night. And we are sleeping basically. It is a subconscious thing. It is not a conscious thing. So early morning it is resting. And at that time we have dreams. So early morning dreams, results of early morning dreams are important because usually they give results within 1 month, at the most 3 months. Early morning dreams means what? Early morning is 3 to 6 am, assuming that sun is rising at 6 am. The more nearer the sunrise, the earlier the dream and earlier the results. So good dreams will bring good results, bad dreams will give bad results. So it is as simple as that. Many people say that what we think of, we dream. That is not true always. Many times we see dreams or nightmares, we see places and things and events which we have never seen in our life. It is not always that if I watch a movie and sleep, then I will go on a date with the heroine in my dream. That is not possible. That is not always possible. In teenagers, maybe this is possible, but after a specific time, this is not true. Means, to cut it short, whatever we are thinking, we are dreaming is not true. Yes, whatever you are thinking may affect our dreams, our brains, but that is not directly proportional, because many times even you must be aware that many dreams and many nightmares are so dangerous that we can't even imagine that happening in our real life, and we have never been to that places. And sometimes it is deja vu, means when you dream you feel so real that you wake up feeling very good if it is a good dream, or you wake up feeling very bad if it is a bad dream. For example, in a bad dream, if you have seen an accident, you can really feel the pain at that point of the dream and you wake up. So many times it is said that body is trying to wake you up because maybe you have to go and answer nature's call, maybe you are not able to breathe, so it is doing that. That may be the reason. I am not against that. That is a physiological thing. So good dreams are good dreams, bad dreams are bad dreams. Symbolically, usually seeing good symbols as per whatever your religion, whatever your culture, whatever your God, seeing good things in dream is good, seeing bad things in dream is bad. It is as simple as that. So whatever, means culture to culture, country to country, good and bad definitions will vary. So whatever is good as per your upbringing, that means good things will happen. Whatever is bad as per your upbringing, bad things will happen. So let us keep it simple. Just if you must believe early morning dreams. Daydreaming is not allowed. If you sleep in the afternoon and if you are dreaming something, that is invalid. Daydreaming is not acceptable, not allowed. Daydreaming is not taken for analysis. For analysis, only early morning dreams are important, and if there is a sequence or serial of dreams, if some people come and say, sir, we are having repeatedly same dreams, what is the meaning of that? If you are repeatedly having some dream, whether good or bad, once, twice, thrice, then definitely some subconscious energy is trying to tell you something. So if it is a positive repetitive dream, positive thing will happen. If it is a negative repetitive dream, negative thing will happen. But we can analyze. It is very simple. You don't need a dream analyst to analyze your dreams. You are dreaming, right? If you are drunk, if you are taking drugs, if you are under influence of alcohol or something like that, then those dreams are invalid, because anyway these narcotic drugs and alcohols will anyway trigger dreams which are not reliable. So only dreams of a sane person. He may be having stress. So many people have stress. So that doesn't mean that basically today, in today's world, in 2021, I think 99% people have stress in different fields. So then they should have nightmares. Everyone should have nightmares. No, that is not correct. So if you are a normal person, if you are not taking any medications, Some medications can lead to dreams also, because it technically disturbs your sleep cycle. So if sleep cycle is disturbed, then odd dreams can come. So if you are normal, if you are having routine life, routine stress, or supposing if you are a patient undergoing some treatment, then even then dreams are possible. And if you are sleeping, or if you have been given sleeping pills, you will sleep, there will be no dreams. And we have all experienced that when we take, at some point of time, everyone has to go through that. When we take sleeping pills under medical guidance, the sleep which we get is not comfortable. Means you will sleep for 10 hours, but when you get up, you do not feel physically and mentally well. You do not feel fresh. You feel tired and drugged. So that alcoholic sleep or induced sleep is not good and not conducive for dreams. So I am assuming that you are dreaming and you are living a normal life, then your early morning dreams are important, your repeated dreams are important, and good dreams will mean good things and bad dreams will mean bad things. If you have any doubts, you can always contact me. Good night and sweet dreams.